Hi guys, good afternoon mom, good afternoon brother, good afternoon my friend, and good afternoon of everyone. Well, I'm standing here not because I was given a chair, but allow me to introduce myself. It's me, Indra Bima Pramuda. I'm from class 12C. And before that, you can call me Indra or call me Bima Handsome. Why? Because I know I'm really handsome. You know that? Yeah. Well, here I will tell you about my hopes after graduating. I hope after graduating I really want to pursue my dream of becoming a young sailor. And of course, I have to study a lot for that. Besides studying, I will also diligently exercise for physical needs. Being a sailor is not an easy thing, of course. I like it because it is in the ocean that we win. Thank you.